Do you remember Basic Gray paper? Basic Gray made paper back in the early 2000s and then stopped. I still have a huge stash, and myself, along with a couple of friends, have been pulling out our papers every month to enjoy them rather than keeping them hoarded away. So if you remember Basic Gray, enjoyed Basic Gray, please stick around and enjoy the Basic Gray patterns with me. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. It is the Bringing Back Basic Gray collaboration. This is a very small collaboration that I do with my friend Sarah, who's crafting and relaxing here on YouTube, and Kathy, who is Stampin' Cat on Instagram. We loved Basic Gray paper back in the day, have a huge stash of it, and have decided to start pulling it out each month and just enjoying it. So this month I have pulled out some random papers from my Basic Gray stash, as well as some embellishments, and I'm going to do some scrapbook pages this month. So these are, not even sure which line these came from. It was a recent haul that I did, or a recent thrift purchase that I had made a few months ago. This one is from Life of the Party. It's the Pop and Popcorn. I'm not going to use the popcorn side. I'm going for the bright side. So I have my papers. These are some Basic Gray letters that I've had in my stash. It's really the only Basic Gray embellishments I have. I also brought in some embellishments that I made just in case I need to add some extra things. And then I've pulled out some non-Basic Gray embellishments that I can use that coordinate with my pictures. So since this is a small collaboration, I am going to do like a quick process video. Please be sure to check the links in the description box below to check out Sarah and Kathy's creations. But otherwise, let's get making. Okay, here are my completed layouts. You can, if you watched, you saw that I had to do some surgery to make an A and an I because I didn't have, there's only one of each letter in this pack, and this is actually a W turned upside down for an M. I brought in some old, actually pretty much everything on this layout is blast from the past. The basic gray is, I think, probably 2012, maybe 13 is the last time I've seen a date on their paper. This is some Mind's Eye Wild Asparagus borders from 2006. I was able to finish those off. This is some Junkets zipper pulls. I don't know when these are from, but they've been around for a long time too in my stash. Was able to use both of those up on this layout. So not a ton of paper or embellishments, but I feel like there's enough patterns going on that it's enough. And then this one was kind of a mix of old and new. The basic gray papers, the border strips here were from when I very first started scrapbooking, when you used to be able to buy those packs of like different shaped borders. So that was the old, but then the new would be this pack of the little Wonder Woman-ish girls stickers. I believe this was from Paper Studio. And so this was fairly new. And then I had recently done another superhero layout, and so I had printed some of these from my silhouette, and so these are new. But again, I was able to use up another pack. This was the last sheet of those superhero stickers. So 2 layouts, enjoyed playing with my basic gray, did some different types of layouts for me, and got to use up some old embellishments. So win all around for me. But again, hope you enjoyed seeing this blast from the past basic gray. Again, please be sure to check out Sarah and Kathy. I know we all have a vast different variety of patterns if you enjoy basic gray. So be sure to check out what they use this month. As always, thank you so very much for your time, and hope you all have a very crafty day.